Now I've seen some of you talking and I've heard some of you saying correct things. So who knows what CCQs stand for? Yes, please speak up.
Concept checking question.
Say it again.
Concept checking question.
Yeah. Concept checking questions. What are they about?
It's basically if you want to ask students, or if you want to teach your students a certain grammatical lesson, you ask them indirectly the form of the grammatical
The meaning.
So for example, if you say I'll ask you, what did you take yesterday? What did you eat yesterday? That's basically a quick example of what the lesson is going to be.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. It is to some extent correct. Okay. Okay, so CCQ stands for concept checking questions. Good. Let's have a look at all of them. Let's start with CCQs. These are called concept checking questions. You use them when you check the meaning of anything. It can be the meaning of a word, or also it can be the meaning of a grammatical structure, like what Noor said. So for example, if we're discussing the meaning of, give me a word.
This is
Really?
confused. Okay,
Confused. Good. So I need to ask the students some questions in case they didn't get the meaning of this word. First of all, maybe I'm going to show them a picture of somebody doing like this. And then the picture is not enough, they didn't get the meaning yet. So I want them to get the meaning through asking them yes or no questions. They are always yes or no questions. You don't ask them which questions, like what we said. So you can ask them a question about the word confused. Is he sure about it? What are they going to say? Is he sure about it? You say no. Okay, is he still thinking about doing this action? So now we got the meaning of the word through asking students questions. Can I ask them a question like this? What is he doing in this picture? Is it a good CCQ? So you only ask yes or no questions or one word question. Is he happy or sad? Sad. Is he satisfied? Yes. And so on. Let me give you an example of a grammatical structure. Okay? He traveled to Alexandria. He traveled to Alexandria. Is he here now? Guys, speak up. Is he here now?
No.
If this happened in the past? Good. Can you see any result in present? Is it happened and finished? Now we clarify the meaning of the past simple through some CCQs. You always have, it's a must. You must ask these questions in case you are checking the meaning of a word or a grammatical structure. And by the way, we're not reinventing the wheel. There is a book called Concept Checking and Timelines. Inside this book, you can find already made CCQs for the grammar. So if today you're teaching past simple, you just go for the page of past simple. You're going to find an example and some CCQs. You can take these CCQs and regenerate them according to your sentence. So if the sentence in the book is he traveled to Moscow, you can take it and change the question to he traveled to Alexandria. So is he in Moscow now? You can change it, is he in Alexandria now? So you can adapt it to your question. Okay?